my children, let me tell you who I am. I am wisdom calling out, come and take my hand. From the beginning I was there, before the mountains rose. When he marked the depths of earth, I was by his side. I chose to offer all my treasures to those who seek my ways. Come to me, I'll guide you all your days. Come to me, come to me, come to me. I have riches beyond gold. Come to me, come to me, come to me. And my wisdom make you whole. Better than silver, better than pearls. Come to me, I'll change your world. In the streets I'm calling louder, at the city gates I stand. Knowledge flows like living water from the work of God's own hand. Don't turn away from my instruction, don't ignore what I have planned. Come to me, I'll help you understand.